Vocabulaire important du travail. Job. Job. Travail. Office. Office. Bureau. Boss. Boss. Patron. Meeting. Meeting. Réunion. Colleague. Colleague. Collègue. Schedule. Schedule. Programme, emploi du temps. Break. Break. Pause. Pause. Desk. Desk. Tâche. Tâche. Computer. Computer. Ordinateur. Email. 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 2. Conversation au travail. Good morning. Smiling. Good morning. Smiling.
Good morning, Wiseman. How are you today? Good morning, Wiseman. How are you today?
I'm good. Thank you. And you? I'm good. Thank you. And you? I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Are you busy today? I'm fine. Are you busy today?
Yes, I have many tasks today. Yes, I have many tasks today.
Do you have a meeting this afternoon? Do you have a meeting this afternoon?
Yes, I have a meeting at 2 p.m. Yes, I have a meeting at 2 p.m. Yes, I have a meeting at 2 p.m.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. Expression utile au travail. I am busy right now. I am busy right now. Je suis occupé maintenant. Je suis occupé maintenant. Can you help me? Can you help me? Peux-tu m'aider? Peux-tu m'aider? I need to finish the task. I need to finish the task. I need to finish the task. Je vais finir cette tâche. Je vais finir cette tâche. I will send you an email. I will send you an email. I will send you an email. Je vais t'envoyer un email. Let's have a meeting. 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 Faisons une réunion. Faisons une réunion. Voilà. Mini pratique. Répète après moi. Répète ces phrases à haute voix. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I am busy. I am busy. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. Can you help me? Can you help me? Répète 3 fois pour améliorer ta prononciation. OK? Maintenant, je te donne quelques questions à poser au travail. What time is the meeting? 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 À quelle heure est la réunion? Are you free now? Are you free now? Are you free now? Are you free now? Es-tu libre maintenant? Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Pouvons-nous appeler? Pouvons-nous parler plus tard? Pouvons-nous parler plus tard? Did you finish your work? 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 As-tu terminé ton travail? As-tu terminé ton travail? Bravo, tu viens d'apprendre une conversation complète au travail en anglais. Continue à pratiquer ces phrases chaque jour. Plus tu répètes, plus tu parleras anglais naturellement. Like la vidéo, laisse un commentaire, partage avec tes amis, abonne-toi pour plus de leçons d'anglais simples et efficaces. Ciao!